Welcome back to another episode of the Dev Blog. One thing to cover in this video, so I'll get her done, and we'll be on our way. I made the Meseboxes compatible with hoppers. So if we do something like this, nope. There we go. Gotta be fast. Gotta be fast. All right. So, as we know from last week's episode, you cannot put a Mesebox inside of a Mesebox. However, we can extract stuff from them and throw it into chests. There we go. Now it's running. Hooray! 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 And the inverse works as well, so we can do a... Let me just grab a chest here. Let me grab another hopper. Yep. And we will throw a Mesebox on the bottom. Oh, come on. I don't have a pickaxe because I threw it in here. This is great. There we go. And now, there we go. And so we can throw stuff into the Meseboxes as well. So, yeah, it's got a couple things in it now. This I think might have... Okay, it doesn't. There's still some stuff up in here. All right, we're just going to pull that stuff out. Because, yeah, I need that. All right, so now I'll go ahead and break that Mesebox, because I can throw a Mesebox into a chest. And as you saw, it just disappeared from here. And we now have apples moving again. So we go here, and there is no Mesebox. Was it deleted? Was it lost? All of the valuables, are they gone forever? No, fret not. They reside in the hopper. Although, did I have anything in this Mesebox? I don't know. I didn't pay that close attention. Let's throw 200 coins in it. And let's give it a name of coins, because we are super creative here. And we will break that. And we'll go ahead and throw it in the first slot here. It is grabbed. Coins is sitting in the chest. It says it has one slot filled, so we can take it out of here. And we'll go ahead and throw it here. And my 200 precious coins are still available. Oh, and because, yeah, because you can only take a stack of... They can stack 200, but you can only take 99 at a time. Kind of goofy, but, you know, it is what it is. Okay, so... I'm just going to grab the last of these items out of here. And we will go ahead and break this purple one, and then we will place it on top of here. Hopefully. And then... just right click on the hopper to kickstart the process. I don't know if I've ever actually mentioned this before, but hoppers, the original code, I probably mentioned this back when I made the changes. The original code ran an ABM every 5 seconds or something on every single hopper to check the item or the node above it to see if there was something to pull from or something to push to. And I changed that so that only runs every 30 seconds. So if you ever throw something into a chest on top of a hopper, and it looks like it's not running right away, that's because it's not. But you can manually trigger the update by just right-clicking on the hopper, and it'll automatically start the timer. So it saves us a little bit of CPU cycles, makes things run a little better and faster theoretically. Yeah. So you could, I don't know, whatever you're using your Meseboxes for. If you're down mining someplace and you're throwing your ores and valuables into it, you could do that. Then you get back up to the surface to your base where you have whatever you have set up with hoppers. I, as you all very well know, don't really play a lot, so I don't know what people are using hoppers for. But if you have some sort of an automated sorting, I guess, you could just throw your chest with all your stuff right on top of the hopper. And yeah, it all gets sorted through. So yeah, that is going to be it for this video. There are other changes. And some of them have been implemented, but they're all secret things. So the code is not shared online. It's not on the Not a Bug repository. It's just a world mod, and yeah, it's full of secret things. You may remember, I don't know, 6 episodes ago when I was covering the jewelry station, where I was saying there's different items that'll give you different perks, or what would the opposite of a perk be? Bad things. Yeah, I don't know. But there's different items that you can put into those relic slots, and they will either positively or negatively affect the chance of getting a good item as your output. I have 95% completed the code for the riddle stuff to tell you what items do that. All I need to do is actually come up with the riddles yet. That's the only thing left to do. So the code is actually all live on the server. So there is the possibility that you could stumble upon it. The chances aren't great, but it could happen. And because you don't know what you're looking for, the chances are even lower. Yeah. So hopefully by the time anybody does stumble upon this and figure out how to use it and all that good stuff, the riddles will actually be in place. Otherwise, right now you just get a black screen, which is kind of sad, but I haven't figured out my riddles yet. And I still have to go through and add the perks and the negative perks, because I don't know what those are called, to the items. So yes, that is it for this week's update. Not a whole lot. If you want to play on the server, you know where to go. Down in the video description. Everything's always in the video description. You can find out the server address. You can search for it in the server list, interact on the website. Again, links are always in the video description. That's going to wrap it up. Tune in next week for hopefully some more updates, and keep an eye on the channel for other videos throughout the week. And the dev live streams Friday nights, you'll want to watch those. We're going to be throwing out some secret codes coming up here pretty soon. Starting December, actually. There will be codes. There'll also be codes hidden on the server and on the website to get goodies on the server. So yeah, that code is all ready and sitting and ready to go. It's live on the server actually right now. So if somehow you got yourself a code, if by some strange coincidence you just happened to stumble upon a strange hex code that's 6 characters. Is it 6 characters? It's either 6 or 8 characters. I don't remember. It's just random hex. It doesn't mean anything. I used a random hex website generator thing. Snoop around. You know what I mean. You know what I mean. You might find yourselves with a hex code. You enter it. You can get some goodies. We'll cover that more come December, probably in the December live stream. So keep your eyes peeled for that if you play on the server. If you don't play on the server, why are you watching? I'm just genuinely curious. Like, are you using it locally? Because if you're using it locally, that doesn't exist. But yeah, that's going to wrap it up. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.